All right, let's get this live stream going. Let's get this live stream going. All right. Let's get the music up here. And let's actually get this set up right here. What up, everybody? Hopefully you are all doing well. Actually, let's sit up a bit higher. Yo. Let's let the stream fill up. Let the stream fill up. Yo. Anybody hopping in? Appreciate you guys hopping in. Just wanted to hop on live for a bit. Let me know if the music is too loud, too low, etc. GameStop looking like it wants to get a nice breakout. 8 people in here. How's everybody doing? Price target for today for GameStop or AMC, Ron? Or both. I can give you a price target. The thing is, so last night, well, actually, the video was posted this morning. And if you don't know, YouTube was having a bunch of problems with the AMC creators out there. Obviously, they don't just cover AMC, but that's what I want to call it right now. YouTube was having problems, and I uploaded that video this morning, and it took my audio away for some reason. And the pretty much breakdown of the video was saying that there's no shares available to borrow for AMC or GameStop. So if you see them start to tank, I mean, it's kind of blatant manipulation. And I did state in yesterday's video that if they did try to do this blatantly, they're going to wait for the IWM or the SPY or the overall market to take a little bit of a dip, which is exactly what happened to make it look less blatant. But there weren't those shares there. I'm going to give you a price target really quick, but I want to look at the live chat really quick. Forever FKT says, what's up with the screenshot from yesterday? Smith, good morning. How are you guys? What screenshot from yesterday can you specify? I think I know what you're talking about. I posted a screenshot. Let me double check on that. Yeah, so let me get to it. The screenshot from yesterday, I believe, if we're talking about the same one, was the screenshot showing that the identical trading pattern for the day yesterday, right? Let me get to it. Community. Okay, screenshot from yesterday. Yeah. Notice anything, #AMC. What happened was, let me get over to AMC as well. The reason I posted this was just because it was a little bit fishy on how the stock traded, right? So you had the morning rip, the sink, which we have this morning, and then you had it flag out, get a slight breakout, chop sideways, climb, and almost if you cut that and clipped the first half of the day to the second half and after hours, it was almost exact. It was almost identical trading. So that's the only reason I posted that screenshot. I wanted to see if you guys could tell or could see that. That was what that screenshot was for. My spidey senses. Ooh. All right, price target for today, Ron Vang. Let me take a look. AMC currently up 3%. IWM is getting a rebound. So I don't know if this was a fake out or what, but I believe Powell is speaking or will be speaking. If anybody knows, correct me if she is or if she's gonna, whatever. If the IWM keeps rebounding, AMC only has 40,000 shares available to borrow as of now on 51 million volume. Realistically, just looking at it, AMC should go super green on the day. It shouldn't look like this, especially if the IWM keeps rebounding. So ultimately, that is what we're looking for. As for price predictions or price targets, my price target is I want to break 2150. I've been looking at that for a while now, and I think that's a extreme key level to break over, and that's the one I'm watching for AMC. As for GameStop, honestly, GameStop, I want to see it break 160. 160 for GameStop, 2150 for AMC. He smoked this morning. Okay, Powell spoke this morning. GameStop looking like it wants to get this breakout. I actually haven't checked. All right, so AMC has traded about 52 million shares on the day, and we're not even an hour in. The average volume on a daily basis for the entire day for AMC is about 44 to 46 million. So already, this is way beyond, it's surpassing it. And this is exactly what we needed, right? Because utilization, 100%, whatever. But the shares available to borrow is constantly decreasing. There's not much to borrow against the stock. Also, you have this gamma ramp happening. 62,000 shares, calls in the money, expiring in the money as of right now. And it's going to continue to build up. All we needed was for volume to pick up, and that's what we're getting. That's really what you see happening. So as of right now, AMC currently trading at $19.05, up 4.27% on the day, and it's currently flagging out. Hopefully you get a breakout out of this flag. Let me line it up right here. If we get a break to the upside out of this flag, the next spot you want to watch is $20, and then the break over the highs of around $20.65, and ultimately $21.50 is what I'm looking at. Let's see how the overall SPY is doing. SPY rebounded as well. It's kind of hanging around, getting some chop here. Oh, IWM is starting to sell off again. Guys, YouTube is seriously screwed up this morning. We went over it, but I don't know how many viewers or how many likes are on the stream, and I didn't announce I was going live, so I won't know. I won't know when you're in, when you leave, unless you pop in the chat. Okay, so that's the reality of it. YouTube is absolutely screwed up right now. Let's see what we got going on. Let me know if you guys want the music up or the music down. Just waiting for AMC to break out of that flag. GameStop, what do we got going on here? GameStop hanging around. Let's check how Mullen's doing. Are any of you in Mullen, M-U-L-N? It's having a green day, up 1.5% right now. Check BBIG. BMIG just hanging around sideways. Red on the day. Prague, red. Tesla was moving though. Tesla up 3% on the day. I bought a $1,500 call on Tesla. I'm already up $65. I wanted some gas money. I'll sell the call shortly. If you want some gas money, you better let that thing rip a little bit. Gas, ooh, getting expensive. But no, seriously though, good stuff on that call. Still waiting for my cash to be settled on my account, which is super annoying. Let's see. You guys know of any other stocks that are ripping? I know CI was doing good. CI is selling off as of right now. Let's see how Oxy's doing. Oxy's selling off. Wow, that probably faked people out with some calls. When should I sell the call? I can't. Oh, I bought a $1,500 call on Tesla. Already up 65. Wanted some gas money. What expiration did you buy? Yeah, what expiration did you get? Also, I can't tell you necessarily because that'd be financial advice, but I could tell you when I would get out. Okay. Tesla right now is at the same spot. If you were to look at a broader perspective and add more stocks in, it's at this spot, right? You have this little bowl, if you will, the cup with no handle. It's at this spot where kind of AMC and GameStop are. It's at a major level, and it's either a hit or miss, right? If it breaks over this, your call is gonna absolutely fly. But if it gets rejected here, as well as other stocks, which it very well could, just due to the fact that the SPY and the IWM are still red, then you're probably gonna lose those profits. Right now, Tesla is flat, like hanging around sideways. I would wait to see, does Tesla want to break up or does Tesla want to break down? If it comes down to 1,020, I would personally, if it was mine, I would get out. But if it breaks up, you're looking at 138. Let's see. Thinking CEI will do well today. I hope so. Are you in CEI? I was in a couple weeks ago. Not in it anymore. CEI is curling to the upside, which is good. CEI does look decent. But we'll see what happened. It's already up 7% on the day. Let's see. GameStop calls are printing, selling a few to exercise one in the money contract and ending the day by sending those shares to computer share. Howling Puppy, good stuff. You must be absolutely printing on GameStop. Up 14% on the day, up 32% yesterday. You gotta be printing. I try not to buy calls on AMC or GameStop unless I'm feeling like super YOLO, whatever, it's extra money. I do have one on AMC that I bought a while back. It was before this even run, and it's like just trying to go green, but I'm just gonna let it ride. Let's see. I'm going to fill up my truck today. Okay, cool. I'm going to watch it. If it goes, yeah, good luck. Good luck. Let me know what happens with your Tesla call, because especially with this market, if you can even get in and get out and actually make a profit, then congrats. You should feel good. My AMC is calls expire in May and June. I'm not selling those. Yeah, mine, like I said, I got mine a little bit back. So mine expire April 14th, I believe. Yeah, the week ending in April 14th. And if I go down to the options chain for April 14th, there's a decent amount there. 96,000 out of the money, 17,000 in the money. There's a decent amount there. So hopefully, depending on if they try to dodge that or not, make the stock sell off, we'll see what happens. But as of right now, 71,000 calls expiring in the money for AMC. You're seeing that gamma start to build up. 150,000 shares now available to borrow. You're seeing that decrease. They are trying to keep the stock down as best as they can, and we'll see what happens. My best bet right now is AMC's flagging out, and they're going to use these 150,000 shares available to borrow to make this technical break to the downside out of this flag, just to scare people off, as that's probably their best move for a psychological move that they can do. So just prepare for this flag to break to the downside and those shares get used up. Obviously, everyone in this chat most likely isn't selling either way. I know I'm not. Let me check the live chat. Let's see. Whoa. Let's see. My 3 AMC calls have doubled. Good stuff. That is good to hear. I'm so happy people are making money. Smith says, yes, I believe oil is about to go up big time. Yeah, hopefully oil keeps running. Rudolph channel, can we close above 20 today? We can definitely close above 20 today. I mean, we already went above 20. It just all depends. Personally, I see AMC from today's standpoint going green, flying green. I don't think it's going to hang around at these lows for the day. I personally see it flying, and the reason for that is you have IWM slowly rebounding, not many shares available to borrow, cost to borrow creeping up, this gamma ramp, 71,000 calls expiring money. There's just too many things that come into play to say that AMC should sell off today, right? As for gap fills, let me see. Also for gap fills, there's no gap on AMC. There's really nothing. Honestly, I see AMC moving today. I really do. And I could be completely wrong, right? Just my opinion. But I do see it moving. Tesla running still? Let me see. Oh, it's trying. It looks like it wants to break up. Good luck on that call. Let me know how you do. We closing 22 today on AMC. I hope so. I want to break 2150 and close above that. That's my main goal. What does AMC and GME going crazy today mean for this play? I mean yesterday. What it means when they went crazy yesterday, chances are you had a smaller firm getting out, and the reason being, right? If you take a look at the overall market, you went from $413 on the SPY all the way up to the peak yesterday at $450. That is an insane increase in about a week or two, under 2 weeks, right? An insane increase. And for a short seller, hoping for a bear market, chances are they were pretty close to getting margin called, and they had to get out of some positions. So you could have seen that happen with AMC. That's ultimately what you saw, right? And the more volume on the stock, the easier shorts can get out. And also, the more volume on the stock, the more shorts have to get out. Just because, depending on the way the volume is moving, right? The volume is pushing. We're getting a move to the upside with increasing volume, which is going to put more pressure on shorts because you have FOMO buying and things like that. AMC looks like it's trying to get a break to the upside out of this flag. We'll see what happens here. Currently at 1920. Let's check the live chat really quick. Hit the like button, subscribe, share the channel video. Thank you. Yes, if you guys want to hit the like, you can. You don't have to. I hear you about buying calls on GME and AMC, given the extent of the manipulation, but all I talk about is the squeezing of GME, so I feel like I have to put my money where my mouth is. Yeah, definitely. that's kind of how I feel too, right? But I think it feels a lot better because if you buy further expiration, because you're giving yourself enough time, and everyone who's in this play are usually really, really confident in the squeeze. So honestly, if you give yourself a lot of time, yeah, it's not bad. Yo Lotto, good to see you. What's up, Gary? I'm glad to see you too. Been talking constantly. I just gotta get a sip of coffee. How is your morning going? How are you guys doing? Once again, for the people in here, YouTube is being screwed up this morning for the AMC creators, and I'm not sure if I can tell how many are in here and how many likes it has, because the numbers, like for example, for what I'm seeing, we were just at like 12 or 13 likes, and now it's saying 1 like. For example, we were just at like, it just said 1 person waiting, and now we're at 15, and then I don't know. I don't know who's in here unless you're popping in the chat. So that's that. Let's see, AMC still hanging around in this flag. GameStop, come on, buddy. Guys, for price targets for the day, someone asked, I want GameStop to break 160. That's ultimately the move here, and I want AMC to break 2150. Also, AMC flagging out, waiting for a break, hopefully to the upside, but there is 150,000 shares available to borrow, and I think the last move that they would try to do is make this technical breakout to the downside just to scare people off. I personally don't see AMC closing red. Could be completely wrong. We'll see what happens here. IWM is slow. It's super slowly rebounding. Can someone confirm that Powell's speech is over? I just want to know, is the speech over? I didn't watch it. I didn't check on a recap. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened during the speech. So if anybody in the chat knows about the speech, please let me know. Let's see. Only a few people on this planet, J, is the true number of synthetics, and one of them lied under oath. Only a few people on this planet know the true number of synthetics, and one of them lied under oath? Really? Talking about Adam Aaron? What's up, Lotto, my guy? I think the AMC opportunity could use a close above 21 for psychological health. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Like I said, above 2150, absolutely beautiful for AMC. That's gonna, it's gonna not only bring retail FOMO buying in, but it's gonna bring all the technical traders who trade technical setups, short squeeze signals, and look for confirmations. All the patient traders who've been trading super long. It's gonna cause them to also take a position. That's what the chances are, right? Same with GameStop breaking over 160. Let's see how Tesla's doing. I know someone in here, the mod, has a call on Tesla, still hanging sideways. Hopefully that breaks to the upside for you. Let's see. AMC cost to borrow is sus. Yeah, Smith. I don't know how I feel about that. It's either utilization's wrong or the cost to borrow is wrong, because you don't have utilization sitting at 100% for weeks and then the cost to borrow still at 1 to 2%. It just doesn't happen. Um, as for GameStop, the cost to borrow jumped to 47% before. And you know what beats me, right? We have a T+2, as of right now, we have a T+2 settlement. So we don't see the data if shorts covered in T+2 days. And what beats me, right, is utilization on GameStop. Chances are was 100% just due to the fact that cost to borrow went up to 47% or something crazy. And what beats me is that yesterday, so we wouldn't see it today because T+2 had 0 shares available to borrow, and now there's 85,000 for GameStop. Now, don't get me wrong. Anyone who owned shares could have just said, went in their account and chose to lend out those shares, which is weird. I don't know. You guys know what I'm saying, but everything's always sus. There's always something sus. Guys, I'm staying on stream. I'll be right back very fast. You guys, I don't know if you are able to see this. I will be right back. Literally 2 seconds. If you guys want to leave the stream for a minute, you can. I'll be back in 1 second. We are back, guys. We are back. For everybody who is still on the stream, appreciate you guys waiting. AMC is still not broken out of this flag. Let's see what the live chat was doing while we were gone. Let's see. Could this rip within the next month? Definitely could rip within the next month. There's no reason not to. This thing, the thing is, a lot of people think like, well, I missed the squeeze. The days to cover, which is, it's almost impossible to miss the squeeze because it's saying it takes 3 days to cover short positions. If you're sleeping for 3 days, then yeah, I don't know what to tell you. You're a bear. You could miss it. Let's see. I hope so. I need gas money. What do we think is a GME floor? KMC. Floor as in for the day? Or bottom line wouldn't go under. Is that what you're asking me? I hope AMC squeezes this month for real. We need FOMO buying. Tell your friends to buy. Okay, don't tell them to buy. Offer them to buy. I have a $180 Apple call I bought for shits and giggles on March 11th. It's up 140. Damn, up 145%. Good stuff. I personally would take that. Personally. All right, AMC, what's happening here is, like I said, right? They had 150,000 shares available to use against it. And I think they're going to use that to make this technical break to the downside. And it looks like you're getting a break out of this flag to the downside, but not quite yet. Oh, MOAS floor? What the minimum is? The normal would be to tell you I have no idea because that's the truth. But if I were to give you a little bit of hype, MOAS floor is billions of dollars. Listen, I'll tell you something. Hold on a second. Had to get the cat in here. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Listen, man, back up. Back up, dang. Get your butt out of my face. Hey. Alright. Seriously, chill. MOAS floor is billions of dollars. Well, yeah, billions of dollars. AMC's already a $10 billion company, market cap. Oh, yeah, MOAS floor. Give you a little bit of hype real quick. There's a few technical analysis things you could do with this to just continue the cycle, and you'd be looking at the 2000 range. But that's just, yo, can you stop knocking shit over? Come here, man. What are you doing? What the? I'm sorry, guys. This cat is absolutely nuts. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I've never had this happen on stream. Thing is fucking crazy. You have no idea. Seriously, no idea. You know, I'm always popping in different rooms. So I like try to find the most peaceful room to live stream. It just never works. It never works. See what GameStop is doing. GameStop sideways. AMC still hanging in the flag. Tesla. Oh, Tesla broke to the downside. Did you get out of that call? Or are you still in? Tesla dropping. I'm losing my gas money. Yeah. I just sold the Apple call and bought AMC. Did you buy AMC call or shares? Realistically, MOAS floor, minimum floor, I'm going to say is what the price hit. $77. That's my minimum personally. I would absolutely not sell any chance. Absolutely no chance. Before 72 or 72.62, I would never ever, absolutely no point, no way I would be selling before that. Uh AMC currently up 3%, 3.2%, at trading at $18.83. 85,000 shares available to borrow now. Remember when I said there was 150 and they were going to push this technical breakout after this flag to the downside? That's exactly what you're seeing. Now there's 85,000 shares available to borrow. You're getting the break to the downside. This is exactly what we saw. Just know what I'm thinking is you get a little bit of a drop and we get the rebound and the rip, because this is the last scenario to shake paper hands off, right? My bet is they bring it down to 1840 and they can't stop it from ripping after that, because you still have IWM continuing to slowly attempt its rebound here. I think this was a healthy correction. Again, for anybody new hopping in, if anybody has the recap of Powell speaking or anything that happened, please let me know. Hey everyone, what's up, Rhonda? How's your morning going? They are pushing us down a 57 million volume. Yeah. What the fuck? God bless you. My cat is sneezing. Yeah, they're pushing. That's what I was looking at this morning. This is exactly what you're seeing. You're getting a technical break to the downside. Okay, as you're seeing that, the shares available to borrow is decreasing. They're just shorting this on a technical breakout. Psychological move, clearly, to get people to sell out. People who FOMO'd yesterday want to keep their profits. This is what you're going to see. You're going to see it probably bounce off of 1840. That's my best guess here. Would this be a steady increase or a huge rip? You bought more AMC shares with the Apple Coin. Would this be a steady increase or a huge rip? Both. My best bet is you see it slowly, steady increase into the huge rip, because you saw the same exact thing back in May. Exactly what you're seeing right now. Exactly what you're seeing. You saw it in May. Let me bring up the chart. Here's what you saw, right? You saw $12, $11, $11, $11, $10, $14, $14.50, $15, $12, $10, $11, $11, $18, $19, $20, $10. It did that. And then you saw the day, boom, $36, boom, $72. You saw it was a scaling up increase, because as the ball's rolling, day by day, you're picking up more and more volume, more retail buying in, more FOMO buying in, more technical traders buying in. The higher it goes, the more gamma loading up. The ball just gets bigger. And the bigger the ball, the more pressure on short's chest. And that's really what happens. You see it slowly build up until they can't hold it anymore. And that's really it. And then you see the rip. So I would say both. Everyone new to the chat, what's up? This is Lottery Stocks. We are on the road to 5K subscribers. I also don't know how many likes the stream has, how many people in here, because YouTube is broken today for AMC content creators. Ooh, I didn't announce I was going live. We are just chilling. We are hanging out, chilling. Don't know how many people are in here unless you pop in the chat. Hey, everyone new to the chat. Yeah, what's up, everybody? Let's see. I'm waiting for GME to hit 150. I'm going to sell 30 shares and pay off my Porsche. Then I'll jump back in when GME goes back down. LOL. If GME goes back down, we'll see what happens. Listen, man, don't get a little bit cocky here. Yeah, I'm waiting for GameStop to break 160. GameStop's selling off right now. I want to see how many shares are available now on this. 80,000 shares available to borrow against GameStop. Somehow, some way, that's what it is. Somehow, some way, right? There's one thing I can tell you for the options chain. the sellers are absolutely have zero control over GameStop. As for the options chain, as for AMC, same thing. Absolutely zero control. The sellers are not in control at all for the options chain. You have 1,900 puts in the money and 62,000 puts in the money, calls in the money for AMC. And then for GameStop, 460 puts in the money. This is nothing. 25,000 calls in the money. Absolutely nothing. There is in no way, shape, or form one singular reason you don't see AMC and GameStop close green today. That's my thesis. There is absolutely not one reason in the world except okay, there's one reason, right? Every single shareholder randomly loses hope, right? And I think the only way that could happen is if, Ortex, FINRA, all the data reported was paid off, and these shorts pretty much paid them off and said, here, put the short interest reported to retail at 0. Put it at 1%, so they think we covered. That would be the only way I'd see retail losing hope, and that'd be some fucked up bullshit. Let's see. I wonder if Ryan Cohen buying again today. Yeah, he might. He might be. I wonder what Roaring Kitty's doing. I haven't heard from him. Dang, I'm kind of just waiting to pay off my Kia. Ooh, wink face. Listen, man, new cars. When payments are gone, you feel like a weight is off your chest. Maybe I'll buy a put on GME. I think it will go down by Friday. Do you? I don't buy puts or short GameStop or AMC just because I feel like it's unfair as a content creator. Did you hear that Ryan Cohen bought? Yeah, I heard Ryan Cohen bought. That was nice. I love Kia trucks. Doesn't Kia have like an electric car as well? You know what? For the fun of it, let's see how Kia stock is doing. Oh wait, whoa! This isn't it. Come on, AMC. You gotta wake up. You have to wake up here. Oh, this is so weird. You can't view. Yeah, I don't know. This is seriously weird. You can't Kia Corp. I don't know. YouTube is so broken today. Seriously, so broken. I think I don't know. I think it's a bunch of bullshit how we're spoon-fed these strategies, right? Not that they're bad strategies, they're good strategies, like 1348, this, that. We're spoon-fed these strategies. Use these strategies to make money in the market. And then it's like on the other side, on the other side that we can't see, the flip side, it's like, yeah, we control the market to so these strategies work sometimes. But in reality, there's just that whole other side that's absolutely fucking retail. That's really it. I think it's such bullshit. SEC, all the people in power are in on it. Everyone with money, power, fame, whatever. Hoping we get a breakout after this consolidation. Yeah, me too. AMC flagged and broke the downside a bit. But I think they're making a mistake in using their shares available to borrow a bit too early. Because if we come up to power hour and there's no shares available to borrow again for AMC and GameStop, not gonna be fun for them. Really not gonna be fun. But chances are, guys, if you see volume keep picking up and these shares available to borrow go to 0, you're gonna see another run in after hours. That's hopefully what I'm expecting. Another firm covering maybe. But here's the thing: they don't want it above $22. and I only say that in my opinion is because it just seems that way due to the technical standpoint that's risky for them. That's where their accounts aren't looking good. Because if their short position is decreasing in value and the market is still rising, and they're bears, they're shorts, they want the market to dip, their profits are going downhill. Roaring Kitty fell off the planet. Yeah, I think he became a cat, if I'm not mistaken. I love my old Range Rover. I'll never buy a Range Rover again. I love it because it's paid off. Right. Seriously. Yeah, Range Rover. Jeep parts are expensive too, as well. I bought a Kia Seltos to pick up supplies, and that little thing is impressive. Good for you. Good for you. Watching AMC price action, doing work for college. Oh, sick. What are you in college for? Fuck. You see this thing? Chill out. He's about to leap on me. Yo, if the stream turns off, you know what happened to me. Oh, Ken Griffin's cat. Alright, let's see what GameStop is doing. These things are literally just hanging around in the chop. I wanted to come on stream because I wanted to come on stream when the volume was picking up and it was popping. Jeez, now they're just hanging around. I guess I might as well go to the gym before 2 o'clock hits. It's 11. Yeah. If nothing happens pretty soon, we're probably gonna hop off the stream and hop back on after. Go get the daily workout in. Oh man. Yeah, yesterday we talked about this curling to the downside and then bouncing off that trend line. And then after hours it was like, curl to the downside? I don't think so. Fucking 15%. Oh man. GME needs to hit 150. Are y'all ready for the Reddit IPO? I'm not buying into it, but I don't know. I think shorts are that's probably the dumbest thing they could possibly short is Reddit, because you're gonna have like the entire Wall Street Bets community like, yo, let's pump Reddit so we can make people download it, join Wall Street Bets. I don't know. Speaking of Wall Street Bets, GameStop was the most discussed ticker on there yesterday. Beautiful to see. You remember what happened back in first rip with Wall Street Bets. Also, it was the most discussed ticker on Twitter as well. The IPO is going to be a money run like DWAC. Yeah, I bet. Lottery do a video on Reddit, Discord, and Chime IPO. Ooh, Discord IPO. When is that? Yeah. Guys, this is all chopped. There's really nothing happening. Probably going to hop off the stream and hop back on when this thing starts to make moves. If you want the free Discord, the link is under any video. I don't know how many people popped in the stream today because YouTube's broken. I don't know how many people hit the like because YouTube's broken. I'm going to keep updating you YouTube Shorts even while I go hit the workout, get some food, and probably be back on. But I'm going to keep updating you. Shares available to borrow and the price action in YouTube Shorts. Just stand by. Also, if you want to join the free Discord, link under any video. Guys, if you want free AMC, and I literally only I promote this because I get the free same thing that you get. There's a link under any video. It's called Moo. You don't have to use the app, but if you download it and deposit even 10 cents, you'll get a free Neo stock, which is a $22 stock plus 3 free other ones. I always just sell it and buy an AMC, and it's free shares, and that's really it. But you don't have to. If you want to hit the like on the way out of the stream, we may be back on when things start to pick up. Overall, guys, enjoy the rest of your day.